If you're a GRE student, you need to know this. Erudite could be your ticket to a top score. Erudite means having or showing great knowledge or learning. Think of it as the intellectual superhero in your vocabulary arsenal. When you describe someone as erudite, you're saying they're not just smart, but deeply knowledgeable. Example 1. Imagine you're writing an essay. Instead of saying the professor is very smart, you say the professor is erudite. It instantly adds a touch of sophistication. Example 2. In a debate, don't just call someone well-read. Say, my opponent's erudite arguments are compelling. Boom! You just scored extra points for eloquence. Example 3. During a GRE verbal section, you might find a passage about an erudite scholar. Recognizing the word helps you grasp the context and ace the questions. Words like erudite are gold mines in the GRE. They showcase your command of language and impress the graders. So add erudite to your vocabulary list today and watch your GRE score soar. Remember, an erudite mind is a powerful mind.